I made $20,000 in profit in 7 days Shopify dropshipping. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what I did and what strategies I used. Here's how I did it. The first step is going to be finding the perfect winning product. Then we're going to create a professional attention-grabbing website. And finally, we're going to be marketing the product and getting sales. Let's get right into it, and the first step that I did was find my winning product. Finding your winning product may not seem that hard, but it's actually one of the most difficult challenges with dropshipping. The product must have a wow factor, be a problem solver, and have good profit margins. The way I'm going to find such a product is by using this product research website called Minea. I've been using Minea for a while to find most of my products, and it's honestly the perfect tool for product research. So after I created my account, this is what the main dashboard looks like. This is probably the best dropshipping investment you can make to access the best products and ad creatives. And thanks to its many features, it's the most complete dropshipping tool on the market. So to find my winning product on Minea, I simply clicked on the TikTok ads button right here. And this shows you the best winning products with their ads that you can sell on TikTok. This way, when I find a winning product, I'll also get access to its winning ad creatives that I can just download and use. So I spent about 10 minutes on Minea and I finally found my winning product. The product I found is this Galaxy Astronaut projector, which I actually tried selling before. And the last time I tried selling it, I only used organic TikTok marketing, which didn't do that well for this product. But this time I tried a different marketing approach, which I will reveal later in this video. The next step is building my store, and there are many platforms you can do this on. You have Shopify, you have Wix.com, you have BigCommerce, and many more. However, I'm going to be using Shopify because that's the best one out there. And by the way, I've left a link down below in the description to sign up to Shopify for only $1 a month, so make sure you check that out. So I spent about a few hours working on building my store, and let me show you what it looks like. This right here is the main homepage. We have the header over here, we have the product right here, a YouTube video, a few images of the product being used, and then we have the footer. Oh, and by the way guys, this is the logo that I made for our website using canva.com. Next up, we have the product page, which looks super clean because of all these high quality images I added, as well as this little discount here. And then when you click on the add to cart, you will also see a little animation that I was able to add because I'm using a Shopify theme called Beautify, which has many nice features like this. Lastly, we have the product description right here, and I tried to make it look very nice, clean, and straight to the point. So guys, that was the store build, but there are some apps that I added that we couldn't have been successful without. The first app I added is Booster, which just makes the website load a lot faster. So it basically feels like the pages load almost instantly when someone navigates through my website. The second app I added is very important, and it's called TrueProfit. So TrueProfit basically manages all your costs so that you know how much profit you're actually making. It calculates your product, shipping, transaction, and ad spend cost, and many more. This app helped me track my real-time profit correctly, which is why I know that it's exactly $20,000. It's a very nice app that provides really helpful data and product analytics. And by the way, I'm leaving links down below in the description to all these things that I'm talking about in this video. So now that we've gone through the product and the store, let's move on to the final part, which is marketing the product. The way I did this was using TikTok ads by creating multiple different campaigns. I did this to see which campaign would perform the best so that I can scale it and focus on that campaign alone, which is exactly what I did. So I spent a few hours recording a lot of videos that I can use as my ad creatives. And then I created an ad campaign with a $1,000 maximum budget for all the ads. And now we wait for the results. So guys, day one after running our TikTok ads, we got $2,570.11 in revenue. However, not even half of that was profit because I spent a lot of money on ads. Usually the first day you'll be spending a lot of money on your ad campaigns to identify which ones perform the best. Day two, we got $2,710.82 in sales. So the difference between day one and day two is not that much, but it was because I was still testing out my ads. But by this point, I already knew that this product is a winner because we're profitable either way. Now let's take a look at day three, and this is where it gets a little bit interesting. We made $3,886.89 in sales, and that was honestly a crazy day because that's almost a $4,000 day. I found that one of my ads was performing a little bit better than all the others, so I put a little bit of money more into that. And because of that, we got close to $4,000 in just one day. Day four, we got $4,512.59 in sales, so a little bit better than day three, which also means that we're actually slowly scaling the store. And guys, honestly, at this point, I was getting very excited about this product and the store, mainly because I never thought I'd see so much growth happen so quickly. Day five, my TikTok ad account actually got suspended, but I was able to get my ads back up in a different account very quickly. However, that resulted in our sales going back down to $3,099.57 for day five. I'm not sure why the account got suspended, but nevertheless, we made a great comeback. Day six, we made $8,749.90 in sales, which was our biggest day yet out of all 7. I started started putting a little bit more money into the ads that were performing very well, which resulted in these insane results. Now, before we get to day 7, I wanted to let you guys know about something that I recently created. I made an entire dropshipping course, and if you're interested, the link for that is down below in the description. Now, finally, day 7, we made $8,382.80 in sales, and our overall profit for the 7 days was about $20,512. This number was just completely ridiculous to achieve in 1 week, and I honestly couldn't even believe that we ended off the 7 days like that. If you guys want me to make a video showing off the exact ad creatives and strategies that I used, make sure you let me know down in the comments below.